What up, everybody? Back. Got another, about to put this fuel center unit together. Man, where to start? Let me show y'all. Y'all can see I got my kemso fuel pump. You know, that eBay special. Well, it's probably everywhere special now. I got my center unit. I ordered the center unit from like I say, Monte Carlo came fuel injected it in 85, 86, I believe. So I just ordered the center unit for that right here. So I'm about to take that out. Matter of fact, that's what I was getting ready to see, y'all, was if that plug fits into this. Cause if it do, then I ain't gotta, hold on. I ain't gotta splice it to the plug. That plug will fit out in there. Let me see, hold on. Uh-oh. That's a positive, and that's a negative on that side. And that's how it is on this fuel pump. It says, I don't know if y'all can see that. Let me cut this flash on. Said not available while using ultraviolet lenses. But, what that say? Positive, negative on the same side. So let's see if this will plug into there. But yeah, it'll plug right in. That's what's up, kemso. Oh yeah, direct fit. Blades. Oh no. Yep, that's right. I'm tripping. Yeah, it fits right off up in there. Oh yeah, that's even better. So I ain't even got to splice it. That's what's up. But let me go and get this thing taken apart. Start it soon. I'll bring y'all right back. To it for something. What? I don't know. But we'll figure it out.
Was it okay? Yeah, it's fine.
Roll this back up again.
I don't care what you do. You're my nana. Also no. Yeah.
Got them in the trash. I guess we can hold on to that too.
Answer it. Hello?
But yeah.
No?
Got the center unit together. You take that trash out too, fat man.
Right.
So I gotta go get my kids from school, my baby from school, my daughter. Come back, stab the center unit into the gas tank, and then start thinking about doing something with these lines. That little mug, what is that? That's the return. Dang, that little return line. Skinny as a mug, ain't it? Look at that. I think I got something for that. I can't remember. But yeah, this your boy Mark. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And this video going on that minute. And there you have it, kemso fuel pump. Y'all don't like I said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and keep it pushing.